Mahadev, this fakir, Yogi Virendra Yogi, want to talk to you something. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he wants a self-reliant India. And he wants to have maximum products going to every household through our own supply chain. We should develop the infrastructure, the capability and the industries which will unfold opportunities for the Indians, and Indians will try to compete with the imported products like Chinese cheap products and a lot of other products, defense products coming from France, Soviet Union, that is Russia now, and America, and so many other countries like Israel. Self-reliant India, that's a very good object. That's a wonderful idea. Great thought. Congratulations, Dr. Narendra Modi. A brilliant idea. But one thing I give you caution. The Indians are very corrupt people. All the politicians are corrupt. That's why you compose one poem. देश कभी लुटने नहीं देंगे, देश कभी बिकने नहीं देंगे, देश कभी झुकने नहीं देंगे। ये लुटेरों का समूह जो इसे खंखर कर चुके हैं, अस्थि पंजर बना चुके हैं, इन भेड़ियों से ही देश को बचाने का संकल्प लिए हैं। हे भारती, हे भारत माँ, सत्य में तुम्हें वंदे मातरम, सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की। देश कभी लुटने नहीं दूंगा, देश कभी बिकने नहीं दूंगा, देश कभी झुकने नहीं दूंगा। That's a brilliant idea, Dr. Modi, Narendra Modi, my best friend. You have a lot of success, you have a lot of name and fame. You are coming within hundreds of the most powerful men on earth. But for me, you are only my friend. Always my friend, because my thoughts are friendship with every great man. You are a wonderful person. I caution you. Educate your Indian to be selfless. They are greedy people. They can poison even their own citizens. You must have seen a lot of villains. They are selling the secret documents of India to the enemy's nations like Pakistan and China. They are working as a spy in this country, living in India, but praising the neighboring countries. How can you rely on them? It's very Herculean task for you, dear Narendra Bhai. Local and vocal is a good words, but the corrupt Indians, the shameless Indians. I give you petty examples. We feel very proud of our villagers, very proud of our farmers. You see how they have been badly poisoned by the crooked, corrupt opposition parties. They are fighting against the Kisan bill. I can tell you, Mr. Modi, you can never do anything against anyone. If you peep in the history, you are one of the greatest of the greats of the cadre of Shivaji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Maharana Pratap, Lal Balpal, like Yogi Virendra Yogi. Yes! Believe! We are similar. But these corrupt people, they want to come in power and loot the country, spoil the country, sign agreement Xi Jinping to enslave our motherland. How can you trust these people? And as Narendra Bhai, you are a very wise person. You are tolerant, you are patient. You are waiting and waiting. That good sense must prevail on these corrupt politicians who have looted the country. Our mother India is bleeding because of their corruption. We are still developing. There is a lot of problems and challenges in the country. 50 to 55 years, 60 years they have ruled the country. But the country has been going bad to worse, reduced to a skeleton. So I tell you, the first fundamental principle is inculcate the values, honesty, integrity, humility, truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence in the hearts of the children of India. Child is the father of man. If the children of India are really very honest, very sincere and very principled, we can have a new India. New India cannot be the old chiefs, these corrupt politicians. Before entering the politics, you see how beggarly they are. But the moment they bribe these farmers and all these people, buy their votes, you see, after some time, you see they have bungalows, they have best cars, they have everything. What a fakir yogi never can dream of. Why? They are fledging the mother India. So local and vocal. Self-led India is a wonderful concept. But who will do that? These corrupt political parties or these corrupt citizens of India? I feel pity on these people who are corrupt. No morality, no values. I will tell you the story, a milkman story. I stay in the rural areas. I see the vendors who are selling milk in the cities. They buy the dairy milk, take 10 packets of dairy milk and add equivalent amount of dirty water in it, mix it, put some powders, some flavor, fragrance and sell to the city's innocent people who thinks they are drinking and using pure milk from our beloved farmers, milk vendors. Shame! The corrupt, greedy people. Local and vocal, self-reliant India is a myth, is a confusion, is an illusion. The people are corrupt. Shameless people of India. 99.9% are corrupt. Thank you, viewers. Improve yourself, lift yourself. Downgraded, greedy people, learn from greats. Learn to give blood, toil, tears and sweat.